welcome to a brand new video, and today we're going to be looking at the 5 best trending products for October 2021. Now I'm not going to waste your time at all today, let's get into it. Okay, so the first product that we have right here is this back shoulder posture corrector belt that AliExpress is suggesting us, right? Why this product is so good? And you might have seen this product before, right? Because this product has been trending for a long amount of time, and loads of people have really created some successful businesses with this exact product, and with this exact product alone, they've managed to scale it to 6-7 figures. Now, this product is an even better variant of these back posture corrector ones, and you might have seen them a lot throughout different times. If you've been in the dropshipping community for a while, you've definitely seen this type of product because it was trending for a long amount of time, all over Facebook ads. Loads of companies are doing it, but the reason why this one is different to this existing trending product is just because of the great brandability that you can actually do with this little arrow feature that goes across the back of the actual posture corrector. Now, why it's so good is it because this is so compact compared to the other ones. These back posture correctors were a bit bulkier than these other ones, and they weren't made of as lightweight material as this one, because this one you can literally just put onto your back and put a t-shirt over it if you wanted to, and just go about your day as if no one's going to know that you've got this back posture corrector thing on. And this is perfect because the way you can market it and actually promote it to different audiences is amazing, because of the fact that so many people are sat on the desks, sat on the phones, sat doing a lot of different actual things. These guys will always have some sort of problem with the back. I do it so much, I just slouch like this all the time. So I know it's something that a lot of people will need, and you can target this towards people who work in offices, like I've just mentioned. And with the targeting features on Facebook ads or with TikTok ads or anything like that, you can target it and find the right people who would love to buy this product, especially people who are interested in computers, all sorts. And you've got loads of really great images and videos that you can use to market this exact product. Now, it is made out of cotton and neoprene, so basically it's just really lightweight, comfortable material, which compared to other different products and different variations of this product is actually amazing, because the other ones, they use plastic and all different types of stuff which can actually be some very, very uncomfortable. So you can actually market this as a comfortable for users to use as well. So yeah, this product is unreal, it's unbelievable, and because of the fact that it's so lightweight, this is why this product, this exact variation, will do so well over the other ones. Now, before we get into the second, third, fourth and fifth products, I need to quickly tell you something. Did you know that you can try out the tool that I've used to find these exact products, each and every single one, with the Facebook ad videos and with the store that's actually selling each of these items and already making a decent amount of profit from them? Would you like that? I'm sure you'd like that. Well, you can actually try a 3-day free trial for only $1. If you click the link in our description below, you'll find it should be like click here for something called eSniper, and you click on it and you'll be able to go through. Keep in mind, we are affiliates of this program, but however, I absolutely love this product, and I actually use it myself to find so many trending products that make us money as well. So that's one of the reasons why I'm promoting it, just to sort of give a little gift for you, and especially because you can get a 3-day free trial for $1 and test it out yourself. So go ahead and click it in the link below, and let's get into the rest of the video, right? So the next one is this 360-degree rotating shower head. Now, why I think this is so cool, listen, you might be thinking, oh, why do we need a shower head? It's not even that good. Well, I'm going to play the video for you right now, right? Ready? Look at how cool this is. So keep an eye on it. How cool is that? So basically, there's a fan inside this actual shower head that makes the water just spin around, and it looks cool as well. It looks really good, and it actually spins around and makes like some sort of like jet powered shower head, right? And one of the reasons why this is so cool as well is because it's a high pressure shower head, more high pressure than most shower heads at the moment as well. But it also saves a lot of water as well. The way it does this is because of the fact that it's got the little fan inside of it. So that little fan basically turns around and makes it high pressure, makes it so it's really nice on your skin whenever you're in the shower. And also just the actual look and appeal of it. It's like them satisfying videos that you see on like Instagram when you're scrolling through. It's just very satisfying whenever I see it, and I just think, I want this. That's one of the reasons why I'm actually promoting this today, because when I first seen this product, I was like, right, I'm buying this one. So yeah, I think it looks really well. It's got loads of different colors, so it can actually fit into the color scheme of your bathroom if you have some sort of color scheme. There's a lot of range of customability with this as well, and there's also tons of really great products. So you've got this little GIF as well that you can actually use the GIF for, which is really great. And just loads of great images as well. I think I said products before, I meant to say images. So you've got loads of great media that you can actually use to promote this exact tool. And I just think it's a great little piece of just a little great piece of equipment that people will buy on just an impulse. Do you know what I mean? If you definitely compare this to how normal showers are, especially this little picture here with water going everywhere and just not being as eco-friendly as well as this other one, there's so many ways to compare it to why this shower head is better than your other shower head. And if you actually focus that within your video ads, within your image ads, and actually when you're marketing it, you focus on that point just to say like how good this shower head is compared to your other one. This will get people to actually be like, oh, okay, I'm interested in it. And one way you can actually do it as well is maybe include some sort of how to install guide as well on your product page or on your ad. Just a quick little, if it's on your ad, maybe a quick couple seconds just going through how easy it is to install. You can go onto here and actually order the product yourself maybe, and actually just have a look at how easy it is to install. It's basically just you unscrew the other one and then you just screw this other one back in. But obviously a lot of people, when they'll see this originally, be like, oh, that's great, but I can't be bothered installing it. And if you make it seem like it's really easy to install, then you're gonna get a higher amount of conversions from the ad as well. So that's what I recommend for this product. So on to the next one. This mini camera is brilliant for any sort of surveillance that doesn't cost too much as well for inside your own home. Surveillance used to be really, really expensive, especially getting some massive CCTV system, installed within your actual house. You don't need that anymore. Obviously we have the Ring doorbell. Ring doorbells are very popular at this moment in time. However, this is brilliant to get different angles of your house. Now, your Ring doorbell only gets one angle, or if you get like some sort of package, you get different security cameras around your house or something. Whereas this one, you can actually stick it onto different actual bits of your house and connect to it via an app which records it whenever you want and whenever you need. And it's also quite good if you just want to play a little prank on someone, or maybe you've got a baby, a newborn, and you actually want to get into sleep, and you want to check up on them 24/7 without just the use of a baby monitor. Then you can use this as well. It's a 360-degree camera, so you can actually turn it around and you can actually see exactly everywhere around it. There is no blind spots with this camera as long as it's pointing in a certain direction. It's 128 gigabytes, so obviously you need to get the SD card separately, but yeah, you can get a 128 gigabyte SD card, and that can record wherever you want, wherever you need. You can actually charge it with this micro USB, so you can actually plug it in properly, and basically you can plug it in properly to the mains, or you could actually use it for some sort of portable actual use as well. I'm not too sure where you actually find the app, because I've not got this exact product, and it doesn't make it clear where the actual app is. This is the only downfall on what app it actually is to actually be able to view everything. Maybe it's in this video right here. So you connect via your Bluetooth, right? So that's all you do. You connect via your Bluetooth, and then you'd be literally able to, I think it's by your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, yeah, and then you're able to see all of the products. Now you can see on this, it's called Little Stars. There we go. There's the exact application. So you can actually make that video to actually show how easy it is to get the app on your phone as well. And there's actually loads of different variations as well. So there's the 128 gigabyte one, there's a 32 gigabyte one, 16 gigabyte one, but I'd definitely recommend getting a 128 gigabyte SD card variant of this one. And yeah, you can get many of these little cameras, as they don't cost too much as well, and this is one of the brilliant parts about it. You can use it for different types of filming, everything, every use that you can use with this camera, and that's why I think it's a brilliant product to promote, because obviously it's not too costly as well, and a lot of people see it as a great impulse buy, again, especially on TikTok ads. I've been finding that when you're advertising on TikTok, a lot of people really like the impulse buys of it, so I definitely recommend focusing on more impulse buy products that you can actually promote on there. So let's get on to the next one. This one I was blown away with, and I obviously we all found this with eSniper, the product tool that I was on about before. So you can go ahead and click on the link below to actually access that, because it gives you brilliant products like these ones. And this one is just an automatic body measuring tape, right? Now, if you're trying to measure yourself, you know, when you go to doctors and you've got to measure your waist and you've got to measure your chest, or let's say you've got to get something for your dog and you've got to measure the actual size for him to get the right fitted harness or collar or anything else like that. This makes it so simple just to actually, you know, fully measure anything you need, because all you got to do is pull it out and then just clip it onto wherever you need. It makes this an easy circle motion, so you can do your arms, your belly, anything. You don't even need to just do your own self. Obviously, you can use anything with this tape measure. And all you got to do is, it'd be good if there was a little video, but all you got to do is pull it out and then just connect it to the other side. So it's great for doing just really awkward areas that you can't do with a normal tape measure that only goes on a 90-degree angle or goes out 180 degrees and stuff like that. You don't really have a lot of opportunity to measure everything, and then if you use a custom tape measure as well, that can be annoying, because, you know, if you're trying to like measure something properly, I've done this before, I don't know if you guys have done this, but you're trying to measure something that you might be able to fit in your room or something like that, or some sort of new drawers. That's why I'm thinking of the example. And when you try and measure around it, you might let go of the tape measure, go everywhere. It's dead hard to read. This just makes it simple, because you can really easily fit around anything you need, clip it on, and the bit where it actually clips shows the exact measurement of that exact thing that you're trying to measure. So again, very self-explanatory, but yeah, I definitely recommend doing this one, because you can actually market it in a bunch of different ways for body measuring, just for daily use, for around the house, and also it's a compact size as well. It's not going to be a burden to carry around with you, especially if you're maybe a builder or you're going to put it in your toolbox or anything. It's not a burden to carry around with you, so this is why this one is perfect. Now let's move on to the last and final product. Well, right, you're probably looking at this going like, what can I do by selling a laser pen? How? You probably look at it, because that's what I looked at first. I was like, can I sell a laser pen? I'm like, there's going to be a lot of legalities behind that. Obviously, you're going to have to put disclaimers up going, don't shine at aeroplanes and everything else like that. But one of the reasons why I've actually decided to do this product is because I've seen that it was really trending on different actual trending product research tools. And I also seen it popping off on TikTok organically as well. Now, TikTok is really popular for products at the moment, but what this brand has literally been able to use this pen. It's drop shipped and everything, and I know it is, I can sort of tell. And they've been able to use this laser pen and just make little funny videos on the street where they're like, oh, I might shine this at this guy's feet, see if he notices, and pretend it's a sniper. Just random videos that get people attention. And you can tell that these people have done it in such a way to be able to market this product virally throughout TikTok. They've got hundreds of thousands of followers, millions of views, just by doing silly things like pretending to put a sniper on someone. But that is all free traffic. All this free traffic they've been able to use then to be able to market and promote this laser pen, because they're using that exact laser pen in the video. They don't even have to go like buy this laser pen here. They just be like, if you want this laser pen, link in the bio. That's basically all they've done, and they've been able to make a killing off it. I can sort of tell because of the amount of views that they've got from it. And again, this is one of those products that's an easy impulse buy, and why that's so good in this day and age is because if you get people's attention, you're going to be able to, with advertisements, you're going to be able to actually get them to buy straight away, because of the fact that it's it catches people's attention. If you do it in a way to catch people's attention, then you're going to be able to easily sell this product. Now, I think it's just a great little product because you can use it for many different things. Obviously, there's little things saying that you can use it in business meetings. Don't recommend using a laser pen in business meetings. I don't think that's going to be the best idea. But you can use it for a bunch of different features, and it's just quite cool to have, and especially for the younger audience as well. It's one of those novelties you have and show off with people in school, like, look, I've got this laser pen. Do you know what I mean? Like, especially for the younger audience, it's brilliant. Especially for that TikTok audience, it's brilliant as well. And that's one of the reasons why I actually featured it here, because of that actual brand that's popping off on TikTok. I can't remember the exact name of it, but go onto TikTok yourself and type in laser pen to see how they're doing it. I'm pretty sure it'll be the first page that comes up. Right, well, that was a whole entire video. I wanted to give you 5 trending products this week that were actually, not this week, this month. They were actually they're very interesting, and I wanted to give it you in a clear and concise way. So thank you very much, everyone, for watching this video. Again, leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more e-commerce and money-making related content all on the online world. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you later.